Move!
We're back with another
No!
vlog.
Anyway. Move! Move.
You want me to hold it for you?
No, don't hold nothing for me. Come on, man, let's go. Anyway, before we do the car stuff, we are going to the audio place to see why my radio likes to cut in and out. But the grind don't stop, baby. Anyway, so we're going to go to the audio place because ever since I got the car, this radio's been going in and out, and I think somebody had a system in it before, and that might be the reason why it keeps going in and out. Maybe they messed up some wiring or something. I don't know, but it gets annoying, so I can't really bump how I want to bump because it always cutting out, and then it loses bass every time I try to get the bass back. All I got to do is turn it up, and then the bass will come back, but then literally like 30 seconds later it'll cut out again, and that gets annoying. So we're gonna go see what the problem is, because I'm just getting to the point now where it's already, you know, it's really irritating that I gotta keep cutting my stuff up. Like, I can't even show out because I gotta keep making sure that the bass is still, you know, sounding good and all that other stuff, and you know, yeah. So anyway, she gonna try to help me not get a system today. She gonna try to. You were like, I don't know, but that's a good deal. I don't know.
No, because you told me whatever happens, let me walk out with
Well, the plan is to not walk out with a new system. If we walk out with a new system, we have failed miserably, horribly, miserably, whatever. I don't know what to say. Anyway, I'm gonna crash into this if I don't just, you know, pay attention. But anyway,
don't vlog and drive.
Vlog and drive. You gotta get all the content, even if you get into a car crash.
No.
Vlog it. People want to see. But anyway, next scene. Before we go there, we gotta wipe the car down real quick. Wipe the car down. Wipe the inside, because the inside is all messed up and everything. Some of these styles right here. We are here. Maximum Sound. I've been coming here for a long time. Well, it's been a while, but you know, it's one of the only places I come to get my stuff done at. So hopefully they tell me what's going on with my car. And if y'all live in Arizona, come to Maximum Sound. They always get you right. They like a family owned business, so you know, and the dad who works here, he's like real Italian, so he got my back. Hopefully he here. He hasn't seen me in a long time, so hopefully he didn't forget me. So anyway, let's go see what my damn radio. Here. Got everything you need. Like that. All the stuff in here. Trying to get copywritten. did it. You just did it. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like,
I don't know what that is. It's like it was playing just fine a second ago.
Yeah, and then after a while, like that's what it does. Yeah, and it starts.
It's like the amps getting hot or something. It's got the factory output system. Where's this car?
2015.
What?
Rare, but I've seen it in before.
Yeah.
Do what?
I didn't even know they had factory amps though. That's crazy. Yeah, I see that. Yeah. This is crazy. I gotta get a whole new system. I wonder. We get the likes, subscribes, and comments up, or just some subscriptions. Yeah.
Unless it was fucking touching or something.
Right.
But we're not moving.
Exactly. Yeah. Like I said, sometimes it works fine when I'm driving around. It'd be smooth, but it depends. It depends. Like, cause I can go out at night and be cool, or do midday, like it'd be fine, and then after like 30 minutes of driving, maybe 45 minutes, it'll start doing it. Yeah. That's what it sounds like.
Something's over.
Yeah, something's getting hot and it's cutting in and out.
Something's overheating. I don't know what it could be, but that's why I hate these factory systems, man. Yeah. That's why whenever you buy a car, buy the baseline one.
Yeah.
Come spend your money here. I saw the camera.
Oh, you saw the camera?
I had to,
see,
and
we put your business on. I told them to come here.
Yeah.
They can't go nowhere else. Maximum sound. So, you know
yeah. But I don't know what that is, man. I
Yeah.
honestly don't know what that is because it's none of the speakers sound blown.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Everything sounds good. This speaker's disconnected, so it can't be that one, obviously. It's not even. There's no factory stuff.
Yeah. I don't know either. I was like, yo, I'm not even going.
That's weird.
So I was just wondering. I was like, so I wonder if I have to get like a whole.
The car's running right now, right?
Yeah, it's on.
So it's not a battery voltage issue.
Yeah.
If it was a battery voltage issue, then it wouldn't play.
Right.
And also these cars, I know these cars have a battery save.
Yeah. Alright, so they don't know what the problem is. We were just chopping it up for a little bit or whatever, but they don't know what the problem is. If anything, I have to get a whole new system, and they got to rewire everything, and you know, you got to bypass the factory amp, you know, all that other stuff. But it's all good, you know. We were talking about doing everything Memphis audio, and he talking about $3,000. You know, my subscriber count ain't up that high yet, so I can't just drop $3,000 like $3,000 like Tall Guy and. Oh, nice. I can't drop $3,000 like that just yet, you know. So, and that was everything Memphis audio, tweeters, subs, door speakers getting changed all out, 2 amps to run and all this other stuff. So, you know, I almost gave in, but you know, But she almost gave in to though. She did, low-key. Nah, but
he could have talked me into it.
He you know, he's good, real good people. That's family. I do got one more guy that I go to, but he's just stupid far. He's like a 50-minute drive for me, so it's hard to get into him. So I gotta come to my first family first, you know, see what they talking about. So hopefully we can get this issue solved with my radio. If y'all know anybody who can help me out, that'd be dope. But other than that, I'll be getting new speakers soon, hopefully. You know, got these bills though. Where these bills set up, it's gonna be a while. But that's it. Time to go to the next scene, or should I end the video? I don't know.